Hi, and welcome back to the Save It for Parts channel. If you've seen any of my other videos, you probably know that I have far too many boats. There's a few here in the garage, and I have a few more outside as well. I have so many boats that I've even had to start storing them under my monorails. Why do I have a miniature monorail in the yard? Well, a while back I bought a full-size monorail from the Minnesota Zoo, and this baby monorail came as kind of a freebie along with that. Now, over the years, I have built or been involved with building a number of homemade, bashed together, and otherwise rednecked together boats. It probably started out when I was a kid, and I would throw a pallet on some pieces of styrofoam and float around the front yard of our house at Funner Bay, Alaska. More recently, after moving to Minnesota, I've built a number of small boats, including some attempts at making plywood kayaks. These technically did float, but not very well. We've also built and rebuilt a fairly large party raft a few times. This was made out of old barrels and plywood, and it has made it down parts of the Mississippi River on a number of occasions, using one of my small skiffs as a tugboat. And we went so far as to register the raft with the DNR, and we made sure that everybody wears their PFDs. So when this contraption gets pulled over by the water police, and it actually has, they couldn't find anything to give us a ticket for. Slightly more recently, I've become part owner of a larger, but possibly more horrible pontoon boat. I have not actually done much with that other than some test runs, but we might get that out on the water again sometime soon. In addition to the larger sailboat that I used to own back in Alaska, I've also had a couple smaller sailboats here in the Midwest. A few years ago, I picked up this very rectangular boat on Craigslist that was someone's unfinished project, and I was able to rig it, put in some blue tarp sails, and actually get out and sail it around a little bit. I never ended up using this too much, and I ended up selling it to a local minor league baseball team to be used in some sort of promotion. I also have this other small sailboat that a friend gave me. It has a few problems with it that I still need to fix, but we have had that out on the water as well. And then this one was not my project, but I did help crew on my sister's larger sailboat when they brought that from San Diego up the coast of California. Well, that's about it for my small boat projects. I do have some larger boat projects like this terrible 1970s tri-hull, which I'm currently working on. And then check out some of my other videos for other boat projects and monorail projects and potato guns and rockets and all kinds of other foolishness. Thanks for watching this quick video, or I guess it was more of a slideshow, but thanks for watching anyway. Check out my other videos and feel free to like and subscribe if you want to see what we come up with next.